What's good, broke ass niggas? In this video, I'm gonna show y'all boys how to trade stocks and crypto. I'm saying everything you need to know from fucking zero to hero, man. All I gotta do is stay tuned for this video. We got 3 different parts that y'all need to know, that y'all need to learn. So you better motherfucking watch. You already know what to do. Subscribe, like, and comment. What the fuck wrong with y'all niggas? I'm back. I ain't going no fucking well. Alright, so before you start charting, what you need to do, you need to know what the fuck you finna trade. Now, in this video, we going over stocks and crypto. I'm gonna give y'all an example of stocks. A stock represents a share ownership within a company. So let's say you buying an Apple phone or Apple products. If you buy an Apple share, an Apple stock, you're gonna be making money depending on how Apple's doing based on their revenue and other income and revenues and shit. Now that we know that a stock represents a share ownership in a company, now I gotta show you how you can view your stock. And the first thing you wanna do is go to TradingView.com, man. TradingView is a free app. You can get it. I got it. I got the basic membership. It's like $15 a month, man. You already know, man. Just type in TradingView.com. Then when you get to TradingView, what you want to do is you want to type in your stock or crypto that you finna search. Now me, I'm finna do Tesla. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna type in Tesla. Go to Tesla, launch your chart so you see what the fuck going on with it. First thing first, when you start trading your security, you want to look at the chart to see how is it, like what is the overall trend. The trend is your motherfucking friend. Remember that. The trend is your friend. Now, the best way to find a trend is to go to your monthly time frame and work your way down. See, Tesla, we on the monthly time frame right now. The M represents months. And as we can see, it done went up in May and June, but the last 3 months have been slacking like it's trying to lag down. Now let's go to the weekly chart to see what it wants to do. Now, based off the weekly chart, we see different. We see when it was slacking down, now it's starting to come back up. Now go to the daily chart. To the daily chart. More in depth, you can see what's happening. At the better way, you see how it came down right here, it bounced off, and it went up. The first thing you need to do in order to be a profitable trader, and everything you need to know, you need to find your support and resistance. Support is the bottom of the trend, and resistance is the top of the trend. So the best way to graph a chart, you want to graph your support and resistance. So right here we're on the daily chart. So you want to come over here. This is just a little line tool, and this is the top of the trend. So we can go ahead and graph this, and we can consider this our resistance. Now, basically, in order to find this, you want to find where the trend suddenly reverses or does some crazy ass shit. That's basically where your support and resistance is. But like I said, to be more specific, your support is the flow, your resistance is the roof. So right here, this will be your resistance. And when I find my support, it'll be right here. This will be your support. So you just want to graph this right here. And as you can see, if y'all notice the bounce, Tesla bounced off of a previous resistance. Like this right here. At this point, this used to be resistance. It went up, came down, went up, came down. But then it went through this, all the way up, making this a new resistance. Then it started using this as support. You see it bounced off of the previous resistance and turned it into support. So basically, you can say that Tesla is in the uptrend now based off of the daily time frame. That's just how you use your charts. That's really all it takes, really. Because then you just do this on the lower time frames, like you're on a day chart. But now you just go to your 4 hour, your 15 minute, you can see it basically the same thing. And what you want to do, depending on how you trade, you can day trade this, you can scalp this, or you can swing this. Basically, how we just did the day trading, that's basically how we swing. But if you go on the lower time frame, that'll show you how to day trade. It's really that simple. Alright, man, now that I told y'all about the TradingView, what you need to know, now you need to know how to look at your company financials. And the best website that's free that I use is Yahoo Finance. So we will just talk about Tesla. So the first thing you want to do is when you go on Yahoo Finance, you go to the search box, you just fucking type in Tesla. So when you type in Tesla, you're going to get to this screen right here. And the first thing you want to do, see we're on the summary tab. You want to go all the way over to your financials tab. You want to go to your company financials. And boom, this is what we're looking at. 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. This is the revenue. So as you can see, over the years, Tesla keeps on increasing in revenue. Revenue, that's pocket money. That's great. That shows that their company is profitable. Now, gross profit, this is what you really want to make sure is going good in the company. Your gross profit is your revenue minus your cost of goods. So basically, that's paying for your operation, subtracting that from your revenue. That is your gross profit. This is what you're going to keep and put in your pocket. So over the years, it's still going up. As you can see, it's still going up. Now right here, so it's not quite over for 2023. It might just be having a pullback. So we can't just assume that it's negative right now. But as of right now, it's still been going up every single year. Alright, so this is also something important that big companies use, but this is just one tool. You have to mix it with other things. This is called the PE ratio. Now we're on the financials. You go to find your PE ratio, you're gonna go back to your summary tab and boom, PE ratio, TTM 71. Now every company's PE ratio is different. And what good is, if your company has a higher than average PE ratio, that means it could be potentially overvalued, or a lot of companies are looking to it and it might be undervalued. That's the difference between PE ratio. See, PE ratio doesn't tell you everything. You have to use other things. But the PE ratio for Tesla is 71. So what I would do is I'd be like, so what's the average? What is the average PE ratio for Tesla? We're going to see. It says the PE ratio for Tesla stock down is down to 70.6. Worse about 9% for the 12-month average. So basically, it's higher than normal. But since it keeps on increasing revenue over the years, that's good. This is not an overvalued stock just because they keep on increasing revenue and the PE ratio is up. So that means a lot of investors are looking to invest in Tesla and they believe in it. So that's why I believe Tesla is a strong buy. And this is exactly why I trade it every single fucking day. All right, now we go into market sentiment. Now, what is market sentiment? Market sentiment is the overall view of the market. Is the market going down? Is the market going up? Now, market sentiment is what I'll call a mix of technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Because market sentiment, you want to know if you are in a bear market or a bull market. Now, right now, we're in a recession. They haven't announced it yet. So right now, the chart's fucked up. It's low liquidity. So it's not a lot of good shit to trade. Like, I trade crypto 24/7, but it ain't been doing good because ain't nobody buying no Bitcoin right now. So I'm sticking to stocks. That's basically why you need to know what the fuck is going on in the market. You need to know your market sentiment. Is it bullish, bearish, what's going on in the market? Now, this chart right here, you can use charts to see the market sentiment. Let's go to the monthly. Like I said, this is Tesla right here. Like I said, Tesla already took a bad hit from November 2021 all the way down to February 2023. It started reversing up. This is the monthly chart. So Tesla, depending on how you want to look at it, I believe that it's in the uptrend because ever since January 2023, it's really been going up. You know what I'm saying? Went up, had to pull back, went up again, had to pull back. So it might continue to go up. That's basic market sentiment. So another thing, I'm gonna show y'all Bitcoin example. As you can see, y'all know what I'm saying, it went up a whole lot, you know what I'm saying, during COVID. Went up, went down, went up, went down. But Bitcoin been going down ever since November 2021. Just been going down and they been really doing nothing. And as you can see, it's starting to go up and then it's starting to curve down in the monthly. Now let's go to the weekly chart and see what's going on. On a weekly chart, you can see that it really haven't been doing anything really. You see, it does these sudden big ass price moves, but other than that, it be bullshit all in the meantime because it's low volume, low liquidity. So it's really damn near impossible to trade these damn charts because it takes forever for the price to get from point A to point B. That's why I don't trade crypto. It's low volume. As y'all can see, ever since July, Friday the 14th, 2023, it's been just bullshit. Now you can see this is all the price that it's been doing ever since then. Ever since goddamn July 20th, 2023, the price of Bitcoin only dropped by 20%. Now I know y'all saying, oh, I could have just held and it would have went down. But no, these prices are unfucking predictable. No, the fuck you can't. You see this bullshit? Do you want to sit here and look at charts all day when it's doing shit like this on a daily? Like, my nigga, look at this shit. Some days it move -10%. Like, nigga, I'm not looking at these charts every fucking day. That's why I say you need to know the overall market sentiment. We in a recession, so everybody broke and nobody got no money to trade in the market except for K2. Shit crazy now. Now, when it comes to market sentiment, like I said, you got to know your fundamentals and you need to know your technicals. Now, we are in a recession right now, so people got low money. You just got to understand that. Another thing that can affect the market sentiment is interest rates. Like, it all comes together economically. Like everything comes together. Like since they keep rising interest rates, that means people got less money. So that's less money to trade the market. That's why I said we in a recession. Like I said, everything really comes together. But like I said, man, this K20 I'll teach y'all everything you need to know about stocks, crypto, and everything. This might be a series. Just let me know. Comment down below what the fuck else y'all want to hear next. But without further ado, I'm fucking out this bitch.